Across the vast savannas of Africa, survival is a daily struggle. Here, two formidable predators, the hyena and the lion, compete fiercely for food and territory. Their rivalry shapes the delicate balance of the ecosystem, as each species employs unique strategies to hunt and defend their resources. The open grasslands provide little shelter, making every encounter a test of strength, cunning, and teamwork. In this relentless environment, only the most adaptable and determined can thrive. The ongoing battle between hyenas and lions is a dramatic example of nature's constant contest for survival. Hyenas are remarkable predators known for their impressive hunting abilities and unique physical traits. Their powerful jaws can crush bones with ease, allowing them to access nutrients that many other animals cannot. Hyenas often hunt in groups, using coordinated strategies to outmaneuver and overpower prey much larger than themselves. This teamwork not only increases their chances of success but also demonstrates their intelligence and adaptability. Their combination of strength, social cooperation, and persistence makes hyenas one of the most formidable hunters in the animal kingdom. The lion, often referred to as the king of the savannah, stands out for its remarkable strength and agility. With a muscular build and powerful jaws, lions are able to take down large prey with ease. Their speed allows them to chase and catch animals that might otherwise escape. Lions are also known for their exceptional ability to hunt in groups, coordinating their movements to outmaneuver and surround their targets. This teamwork not only increases their chances of a successful hunt, but also highlights their intelligence and social bonds. As apex predators, lions play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. Hyenas and lions share the same habitats, often found in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands across Africa. Both species are highly adaptable and rely on similar sources of food, such as antelope, zebras, and other large herbivores. This overlap in territory and prey leads to frequent competition. Hyenas are skilled hunters and scavengers, while lions prefer to hunt in groups, using strength and coordination. The rivalry intensifies around carcasses as both animals attempt to claim their share. These confrontations are driven by the need to secure food and maintain dominance within their environment. As a result, clashes between hyenas and lions are a common feature of life in the African wilderness. In the early encounters between hyenas and lions, both species engage in careful observation and testing of each other's strengths. These meetings are often tense, with each animal sizing up the other, searching for any sign of weakness or hesitation. Hyenas may circle the lions, vocalizing and displaying their numbers, while lions respond with measured movements and watchful stares. Neither side is quick to attack, preferring to gauge the intentions and capabilities of their rivals. These moments set the stage for future confrontations, as both hyenas and lions learn valuable information about their opponents. The balance of power is not yet decided, and each encounter adds to the ongoing rivalry between these formidable predators. Hyenas are renowned for their strategic hunting techniques. They often begin by patiently observing their prey from a distance, carefully assessing the situations and waiting for the perfect moment to strike. This patience allows them to identify weaknesses or opportunities that may arise. When the time is right, hyenas launch a sudden and unexpected attack, catching their prey off guard. Their ability to coordinate with other members of the pack further increases their chances of success. This combination of vigilance, timing, and surprise makes hyenas formidable predators in the wild. Lions are known for fiercely defending their territory and food sources. Their strength and dominance are evident when confronting rivals, often using displays of power to assert control. These behaviors help maintain the pride's safety and ensure access to vital resources. By marking boundaries and patrolling regularly, lions deter intruders and protect their young. Their impressive physical abilities and strategic teamwork make them formidable opponents in the wild. A dramatic confrontation unfolds as a large pack of hyenas gathers, their numbers creating an imposing force. The lions, typically dominant predators, now find themselves under immense pressure. Outnumbered, they must rely on their strength and strategic instincts to hold their ground. The tension rises as both sides assess each other, aware that any misstep could tip the balance. In this moment, the struggle for survival becomes a test of courage and unity. The outcome remains uncertain, with each animal poised for action. The chase between predator and prey is a dramatic display of survival in the wild. Every movement is calculated, as the hunter relies on speed and strategy, while the prey desperately seeks escape. The tension rises with each passing moment, turning the landscape into a battleground. In these heart-pounding pursuits, the outcome is uncertain, and both animals push their limits. Such encounters highlight the relentless struggle for life, where instinct and agility determine who prevails. Hyenas are known for their distinctive vocalizations, which play a crucial role in their social behavior. When faced with challenges or threats, a hyena may emit a special call to summon its group members. This unique sound acts as a rallying signal, encouraging others to join and provide support. By gathering together, the hyenas enhance their collective strength, making them more effective in defending territory or securing food. Such communication highlights the importance of teamwork and coordination within hyena communities. Their ability to cooperate through vocal signals is a key factor in their survival and success. Female lions play a crucial role in safeguarding their cubs and securing food for the pride. When hyenas threaten their young or attempt to steal prey, lionesses respond swiftly and decisively. Their teamwork and vigilance help maintain the safety of the pride, often forming a protective barrier around vulnerable members. By defending both offspring and resources, female lions ensure the survival and stability of their group in the face of constant competition from rival predators. Bloody battles often erupt when two species compete for the same food source. In these confrontations, both sides risk injury or even death as they struggle to secure their survival. The intensity of these fights highlights the harsh realities of nature, where resources are limited and competition is fierce. Such encounters can dramatically impact the population and behavior of the species involved. Over time, these conflicts may shape the way animals hunt, defend themselves, and interact within their environment. Hyenas are known for their remarkable persistence and clever tactics when it comes to securing food. On occasion, they manage to steal prey from lions, despite the lions' superior strength. This success is often the result of coordinated group efforts and strategic planning. By working together and patiently waiting for the right moment, hyenas can overwhelm or distract the lions. Their adaptability and determination make them formidable competitors in the wild. Such interactions highlight the complex dynamics between predators in the animal kingdom. The lion refuses to accept defeat. With fierce determination, it launches a powerful counter-attack, aiming to reclaim control over its feast. Its movements are swift and calculated, displaying the strength and agility that make it a formidable predator. The atmosphere grows tense as the lion asserts its dominance, reminding all nearby creatures of its place at the top of the food chain. Through sheer willpower and physical prowess, the lion fights to restore order and secure its rightful meal. Conflicts among animals can have significant consequences on their health. Injuries sustained during confrontations may lead to infections or reduced mobility, making individuals more vulnerable to predators and environmental challenges. Over time, repeated clashes can decrease the overall population size, as weakened or injured animals may not survive or reproduce effectively. These changes in population numbers can disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystem, affecting food chains and the availability of resources. When dominant species decline, it may allow other species to proliferate, altering the structure and function of the habitat. Thus, the outcomes of these confrontations extend far beyond the individuals involved, influencing the health and stability of entire ecological communities. Hyenas play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. By consuming the remains of dead animals, they help to clean up the environment and prevent the spread of disease. This scavenging behavior ensures that carcasses do not accumulate, which could otherwise attract harmful bacteria and parasites. As a result, hyenas contribute to the overall health of other wildlife populations. Their presence supports a cleaner habitat and helps regulate the natural cycle of life and death in the wild. Lions occupy the top position in the food chain, serving as apex predators within their ecosystems. By hunting and regulating the population of herbivores, they help maintain a balanced environment. This control prevents overgrazing, which can lead to habitat degradation. As a result, lions play a crucial role in supporting biodiversity, ensuring that various plant and animal species can thrive. Their presence is essential for the stability and health of the habitats they inhabit. Across the African savanna, encounters between hyenas and lions are both dramatic and frequent. These two powerful predators often clash over territory and food, leading to intense and sometimes brutal battles. In some documented cases, hyena clans have used their numbers and cunning to challenge lion prides, attempting to steal valuable prey. However, lions, with their superior strength and coordination, usually dominate these confrontations. There are stories of hyenas successfully driving away young or isolated lions, but adult lions rarely lose in direct combat. These real-life battles highlight the constant struggle for survival and dominance in the wild, where every advantage can mean the difference between life and death. This section explores the valuable lessons we can learn from both hyenas and lions. Hyenas demonstrate remarkable perseverance, unity, and intelligence, working together to overcome challenges and secure their survival. Their ability to collaborate and adapt highlights the importance of teamwork and resourcefulness. In contrast, lions embody strength and courage, often facing adversity head-on with determination. Their powerful presence and fearless nature remind us of the significance of bravery and resilience. By observing these animals, we gain insights into the virtues of persistence, solidarity, wisdom, and valor. The battle between hyenas and lions is more than a struggle for food. It represents the harsh realities of survival on the savanna. Each encounter highlights the constant competition and adaptation required by both species. These confrontations are symbolic of the broader challenges faced by all wildlife in such unforgiving environments. Ultimately, the rivalry between hyenas and lions serves as a powerful reminder of nature's relentless drive for survival.